almost lunchtime, and these are a lot smaller than I thought. They'll probably poof up when they cook. Anyway, a lot of y'all were wanting to know how these were, and the Kirkwood crispy chicken nuggets that we got from Aldi. We got both things from Aldi. So we're gonna let y'all know how they are today. I know one thing, these smell really good. I smelled them right when I opened up the box. They smell great. These only take, I think it said 17 to 19 minutes in the oven. The chicken takes 23 to 25, yeah. Jonah wanted to try these, and all the other kids want to try the nuggets, so we're just gonna go ahead and do both. I'm thinking these things are gonna be great, y'all. They smell good, and you know what? We could totally make pigs in a blanket. I don't know why I never thought about doing this, but we could go ahead and wrap them with the biscuit and then freeze them, just like they did here, and then when you want pigs in a blanket, they're already wrapped and ready for you. I have scissors. These are actually gift wrapping scissors, but I got these from Aldi the other day too, but I'm using them in here for now. Chicken. Definitely looks like Chick-fil-A's chicken nuggets. Alright, they're going in. Mr. Manny's in his full... He's still wearing his jammies. He's in Christmas mode. Be comfy, right? There you go. Oh, that was your plate. I'm sorry. Put it here. There you go. Get out of that. This one? Mm-hmm. These are pretty good. I like homemade ones better. It's a puff pastry instead of like a biscuit. It's a puff pastry blanket, which I like puff pastry, but I would buy them again though. I mean, they're good. These are the closest chicken nuggets from the store that I've ever gotten that taste like I can't talk. That taste like Chick-fil-A's to me. I think they do. Yeah, we'll definitely get those again.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be?
And just like that, it's supper time, y'all. We're making a nacho casserole, a Christmas nacho casserole. We've got holiday tortilla chips that we're gonna use in it. This is a super simple one, y'all. Kid favorite. Getting a cut mat real quick. Okay, we're gonna chop up an onion to put in here with the ground beef. 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. Very easy. And then of course toppings, but we don't have to count the toppings. It's pretty nice out today. We've been cleaning windows, haven't we, Manny Mac? He likes to be the one to squirt the Windex everywhere, or the Great Value glass cleaner. Better watch out if you're nearby. You will be wearing glass cleaner. Now you can add lots of other stuff in here. Some Rotel, peppers, whatever you want to add in there. Oh, 5 ingredients. I almost forgot about the taco seasoning. I don't actually have a taco seasoning pack though. I'm just gonna mix up my own real quick and throw it in there. Y'all, this morning, oh my goodness. What was I doing? Finishing the there was still a little bit of stuff left from breakfast or something I was cleaning up, I don't know, and I needed to seal a bag, okay? So I opened up that cabinet, got out the sealer. I keep the sealer plugged up under this cabinet because we use it just about every day. Not really to vacuum seal, but just to close stuff most of the time. Anyway, I got the sealer out and I'm sealing up that bag, and then out of nowhere, my glass 9x13 casserole dish falls out of the bottom part of that cabinet. How? I have no idea. And broke my toe, yes. It didn't really break it, but it felt like it broke it. It was terrible. It was one of those, you know how when you're cold, pain hurts worse than when you're not cold? Like, you know, your hands or your feet, if they're cold and you smash them or something hits them, it hurts like 1,000,000 times worse than normal temperature pain. Anyway, ground beef is almost done. This is also a fast one. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get the evil 9x13 casserole dish now. Carefully, very carefully. Pure evil. We're gonna spray it. The kids are doing some kind of game of where they knock on the doors. Who is it? Jonah at the front, Manly at the back. And we're gonna crumble up some of our chips. I don't wanna crush them. You can crush them if you want to. I'm just gonna crumble them into some smaller pieces for the bottom. And these will get, of course, they will get softer. They'll be kind of like how when you cook a tortilla shell, especially if you leave them in bigger pieces like this, they won't really get mushy. They'll just be soft, kind of like if you were doing this with tortilla shells, which you can. You can do it with tortilla shells too instead of chips. Then it would be a enchilada casserole or a burrito casserole. Okay, this ground beef's done. I'm gonna drain it real quick and I'll put the seasonings. We're just gonna do a little bit of salt. Oh, that's too much salt. Salt and pepper. And I don't really measure this, y'all. I've just done this a bunch of times. Just making up my own taco seasoning real quick, so I don't really measure it. Oh, this is brand new chili powder. This is gonna make me sneeze now, y'all, having to open this chili powder. Okay, ground cumin, a little bit of paprika, and some garlic powder. Now, I'm gonna put a little bit of this jar of salsa in here with the ground beef, not the whole jar. We're gonna pour it over the top in a minute. This will keep the chips from getting so mushy on the bottom if your meat mixture is not, doesn't have all the salsa in it. The salsa is gonna be on top of the meat. Okay, we'll go ahead and start putting this on top of the chips. Now, if you wanted to add refried beans, you could just do 1 pound of ground beef because you're going to have more, in here with the refried beans. I didn't have any, so we're doing more meat. It makes it easier to scoop out a little bit if your chips are crumbled on the bottom. We're going to put some on the side that are not crumbled after we get everything else on here, and so it'll look really pretty with the red and green chips around the sides. Okay, now we're going to pour the salsa over the top. And I forgot I needed to shred some cheese, so we'll do that real quick.
I want to shred it.
How did I know you'd want to shred it?
Because I like cheese.
Yeah. We'll just pour over the salsa. I'm bringing y'all fast and easy dinners these days since it's Christmas time. We need fast and easy ones.
Last night it started snowflaking.
Snowflaking? That was a few nights ago, I think.
Yeah, it was. Whoa, the cheese is strong.
Okay, we're gonna put cheese on top. We have a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna put that on here too. We're gonna put this in for about 15 minutes before we add the chips around the side. Then we'll stick those around and put it back in for 10 to 15 more minutes. Bit of sour cream on the top. How come it ain't coming out?
It looks like snowballs on top.
Things want to act up a little bit, y'all.
Yeah, they don't want to come out.
Actually, this is in the Christmas spirit. This
Yeah,
way.
it is. It's
We
Christmas.
got red and green here. Red and green, red and green. That's Christmas.
Christmas nacho casserole. And then you got snowballs on top, like Sissy said. Snowballs of sour, oh, that one came out fast. Snowballs of sour cream. And then we're gonna add a little more green on top. One last thing to add. We're gonna put a few of these tomatoes, the little cherry tomatoes. I'm just cutting them in half. And then we'll sit them around like that. And we've got a really festive nacho casserole here, Sissy.
Good job, Mama. You just slapped that thing right there, baby. Look at that, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that's one of them kind of restaurant deals there. It's like, there you go.
Like how that woman brought
some more,
Helen
come back and I'll
that
give you
piece
some
of
more.
pie.
Let's load a chip here, y'all.
It's cheesy. Get you in the Christmas spirit.
That joke was good.
You can take that to a
That
Christmas
thing
party.
was good. I'm not kidding y'all. That is fantastic.
Tyler, once again, wants chocolate tarts. We've changed the name to chocolate tarts
Chocolate tarts.
because we feel like that's where the name came from. Somebody many years ago thought somebody was saying chocolate tarts when they were saying chocolate tarts, and they turned it into that.
More than likely. Many years ago, whenever you would pull that right there, most of the time they'd bust.
There are still some old school ones. Me and Jonah got an old school one the other day.
Still
and
bust.
every now and then there's some old schools. Yeah, but we're going to show Tyler how to make them. That way when he wants them,
You can just make
he can make them.
yourself.
Right. I'll link the video for these down below, y'all.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come.